Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am giving Stubbz, the wrecker, a little more love by doing the Poppy's Patina, or in this case, the Vice Grip Garage wipe-on clear coat for the cab. Because I like the patinaed finish it has, and like the crooked spray painted air conditioned cab stuff from the factory. I like it like that. And when we went to put stickers on it, they didn't want to stick very well because this paint is like, you wipe your hand on it and your hand turns white. So we're going to give it a little shine with some wipe-on clear coat. Made by Poppy's Patina, sold by Vice Grip Garage. All I have to do is prep the surface and then soak this in that clear coat and wipe everything. So I've washed the truck. And now I gotta get it all dry, and then we will go to painting. But let me tilt the cab first. It's been a minute since I've tilted the cab. Oh, lock. And another lock. One second. Let me get a check. Uno momento. I forgot I have to readjust the shifter cables if I go all the way up with the cab. So I'm just going to go up partially and then hold it up with this jack. Voila! Now I can wipe the back of the cab easier. And water can drip up. She's a beaut. So I'm excited for this to give the Stubbz a little more shine and a little more finished look. Also, I'm replacing the rear winch cable we broke while on Pritchett with Trail Mater. So I can go help if anybody needs down at Trail Hero this weekend. So let's get her done. You know, in true male fashion, I didn't read any instructions, but this looks like one-to-one of these size of things, so I'm going to do half at a time because this cab is small. And this is meant to do a truck with a bed, and I'm not clear coating this bed because it's just spray paint, but I care about the cab. So I'm going to do half of this. Wow, that is running. I'm curious what's different from normal clear coat to this stuff to make it, you know, enhance the wiping on process rather than spraying. Maybe I should read the instructions because that's not that much clear coat. I'm going to read the instructions. Glad I read the instructions. They give you exactly the ratio you need, which is 8-to-1. There's 1 quart and 1/4 pint, and there's 2 pints in a quart. So that's 1/8 ratio of this to that. So yeah, we're gonna apply it. See what happens. So I'm doing a test spot on the back of the cab to see how this pad works. Ooh, there it goes. Wow. I need to rinse that out a little. Alrighty, there you have it. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but just gives all of Stubbz paint that wet look. I like it. Seals in the oxidized paint. Makes it a little bit shiny, so it looks good. That's a wrap on that. Pretty simple process. Mix it up, wipe it on after you prep the surface, and there you go. Now for our next item of maintenance. This cable got snapped when it caught the corner of this fair lead. Poof! On our trip with Trailmater and Bentoff Road. So I'm gonna spool this out, or pre-spool this out. Now we got a new cable to go on. No, it's not. Oh, synthetic. It's just standard steel, because that's what came on this, and it's a lot cheaper than synthetic. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Trailmater rewound what cable was left. That's what they're getting by with, so might actually use the trail here. We'll do a longer cable. There you have it. That was a pain in the butt. Got that fixed up. Cab's painted up. We got fuel in it. Let's go help Trailmater if he needs help. Be fun if he involved us. He might not need help because he has so many recovery rigs. He's done this for years, but he said come along, so we're gonna go along.